Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly go over how to view either past orders or current orders through the McDonald's app. So we're going to launch the McDonald's application. And to view past orders, what you want to do is click on the order button here at the bottom. And any order that you've ever made will show up in this area. If you want to view all of them, you can click View All. And you can go through and look at any of the orders that you've made and expand and view on the details if you'd like to see that. So to check on a current order, I'm going to add something to my cart so I can show you how that works. And anytime that you'd like to check on your current order, all you have to do is click where it says Checkout Now, and that'll open up your order and you can see what's in your McDonald's bag. But before checking out, I always recommend going through and seeing what deals are available. And in the deals area, the one that I use most often is the 25% off your purchase. So clicking on that and adding that to the mobile order, and it'll put the deal in the bag with the food. And I can now see that my McDonald's bag has 2 items in it. So to view this, I click on Checkout Now. And if you want to make any changes, you can always remove any items that are in your McDonald's bag. So if you'd like to remove a deal and select something else, you can remove that. Or whatever food that you have, you can remove it and add whatever you want by going back and clicking where it says Order More if you want to put additional items into your McDonald's bag. But at this point, if everything looks good, we're going to click on Review and Pay, how we're going to pick up the food. And in your order summary, it'll show you the total for your meal, any discounts that were applied, and then the actual total. You can select your payment option, and then you can click where it says Pay and Place Order. So I hope this video was helpful showing you how you can view your cart or your bag in your McDonald's order, or if you'd like to see past orders as well in the McDonald's app. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.